Okay, number 10 says, given the function f of x equals 1/5 x squared, determine the average rate of change from x1 equal -7 and x2 equal 3. Okay, so let's just graph this thing, okay? -7 would be, here's -5, -6, -7. So that would be this point here, all right? And then x equals 3, so 1, 2, 3, that would be, this value over here. So if I were to draw a really good secant line, then I would see this. So right away, I know that my answer should be negative, okay? Because my slope of that line is negative because it's going down from left to right. Okay, so remember that the average rate of change is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so we need to figure out what is f of x2. Well, the x2 is when x2 is equal to 3, so I want f of the number 3. So how do I get this? Well, I plug it into my function right there. So that's going to be 1/5 of 3 squared. That is a value of 9/5, everybody. Okay? So then I want f of x1. Well, that's going to be f of the number -7. Well, that's going to be 1/5 times -7 squared. That is going to be 49/5, okay? Because -7 squared is 49/5. So now when I plug this back into the formula, I'll do this in purple for you so you guys can see what's going on here. F of x2 is 9/5, so I'm going to have 9/5. F of x1 is 49/5, all divided by the value of x2, which is 3, minus the value of x1, which is -7. So when you calculate this, 9 minus 49/5 is -40/5, all divided by, and then 3 minus the -7 is 10. So that's equal to -40 divided by 5, multiplied by, remember this is 10 over 1, everybody, 1 over 10. So that is giving me a value of -40/50, which gives me a value of -4/5. So the average rate of change between those 2 points is -4/5.